Meanwhile, President Aquino has conferred on the late DILG Secretary Jesse Robredo the highest award the Philippine government can give to a citizen. The award is the Quezon Service Cross, which the President handed over to Robredo's widow, Lenny. More from Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino conferred the Quezon Service Cross on the late DILG Secretary Jesse Robredo. The award is the highest recognition the state can bestow on its citizen. In his speech, the President recognized Robredo's dedication and selfless service to the people. The family of Robredo received the award on the 100th day of his death. The former DILG chief was killed in a plane crash last August in Masbate.
Sic Floret Respublica. Yan po ang tatlong salita Latin na nakaukit sa medalyang ipinagkaloob natin ngayon sa Pilipino, pagsibulin ang Republika. Iyan din po ang nagawa ni Jesse Manalastas Robredo. At sa paggawad ng Quezon Service Cross sa kanya, kinikilala natin ang kanyang mga kontribusyon sa tinatamasa natin ngayong bagong pagsibol ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Mahigit 6 na dekada na po ang nakalipas mula ng itatag ni Pangulong Manuel Roxas ang Quezon Service Cross. Ito ay upang parangalan ang di matatawarang serbisyo ni Pangulong Manuel L. Quezon sa Pilipinas at upang magsilbing pinakamataas na pagkilala sa bukod-tanging paglilingkod sa ngalan ng Republika. Mula noon, naging simbolo na ang Quezon Service Cross sa huwarang pagsilbing sinilangan. Ang mga pangalang nakakabit sa pagkilalang ito ay ilan lamang sa mga Pilipinong kumental sa damdaming makabayan ng sambayanan.
Robredo was the first local leader who received the highest recognition. He joins former President Emilio Aguinaldo and Ramon Magsaysay, former United Nations General Assembly President Carlos P. Romulo, and former Senator Benigno Aquino Jr.
Carlos P. Romulo, Emilio Aguinaldo, Ramon Magsaysay, Ninoy Aquino. Sila po ang magiging kahanay ni Jesse Robredo mula sa araw na ito. Ikalima pa lamang po si Jesse sa mga Pilipinong gagawaran ng pagkilalang ito. At buong karangalan ko pong inaabot ito kay Atty. Lenny Robredo, na marahil ay pinakamatayog na sagisag ng alaalang iniwan sa atin ni Jesse. Dahil alam po natin, ang lahat ng nagawa ni Jesse, ang transformasyong pinamunuan niya sa Naga, ang paglalatag ng reforma sa lokal na gobyerno nasa DILG siya, ay nakaugat sa isang mapagpakumbabang pagmamahal sa pamilya, sa kapwa, sa komunidad at sa bayan.
President Aquino admitted he lost a good and dependable government servant with Robredo's untimely death. Like him, the President believed good governance is the genuine conclusion to the unfinished revolution in the country. Electronic publication of Robredo's life will be posted in the internet to serve as an inspiration to all Filipinos.
Ang mabakas ng tsiyera si Jesse Robredo ang nagdala sa atin ngayon dito. Tanda ito sa layo ng ating narating at sa layo pa ng ating lalakbayin. Siya na rin po mismo ang nagsabi, and I quote, "This country, we need to make heroes of the ordinary people. We need to make heroes of us." Ngunit siyang tanga ng karaniwang Pilipino ang lakas at kakayahang ihakbang pasulong ang bayan. Batid niyang kumpas ng mga paa ng bawat Juan de la Cruz ang pagtawid sa landas na hinahangad nating makapuluhan.
Robredo's widow, Atty. Lenny, expressed her deepest appreciation for the Quezon Service Cross Award.
Jesse always believed that good governance can be the conclusion to our unfinished revolution. This revolution, he believed, can be achieved in this administration under a president who leads his people through a daang matuwid, a straight and narrow path. With the conferment of the Quezon Service Cross Award, we can only hope that there will be more people like him who will serve rather than criticize, collaborate rather than divide, build up rather than tear down, and engage in order to understand.
The Quezon Service Cross was created in 1946 through a proposal by former President Manuel Roxas in honor of President Manuel Quezon to serve as the highest recognition of the Republic. For the People's Television, Rocky